Hey guys, what's up? I am back, and guess what? I have my voice back. Yes, y'all. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? So, today I'm having a challenge. I'm having wings actually. So, this is a 35 wing challenge. I was challenged by Nikki Loves Mukbang and AMSR. So she challenged me to a 35 wing challenge. Okay. I haven't ate all day. However, I know I'm not going to eat all these wings plus the salad. And I have regular salad and green salad. And this is some barbecue jerk wings. I see it. Let me make it clear. This is blue cheese. Look, y'all. It smells so good. That's just the wings. And then that's the regular salad. And then I have a little green salad right there. So yes, y'all, and look, this is my new favorite dressing. It's the Sam's Choice sweet cilantro lime. It is so good, guys. It has a little bit of kick to it, but I love it. And I have my water. No lemon water today. I've been drinking lemon tea all day because I'm still sick. I'm still coughing, so yeah. Before I get into my challenge, I am going to tag a few people in this to do the challenge. I'm not sure if they're going to do it, but I'm going to tag them. I have Miss Easy Breezy Bree, Jamaican Girl 123, Eat with E. That's Erica's channel, Eat with Erica, but it's E. And Life with Kim B, Tracy's Place, and Let's Eat with Nadira. I think Nadira was already challenged in by Nikki Loves, but I just wanted, just in case they miss her, so I want to have. I am going to have a link to each of these people, a link to their page in my description box, so you guys can check them all out. And let me know what you guys think after the challenge is done. So, let's get into it. 35 wings, y'all. I don't think I could do it. I don't know. I'm gonna try though. Let's put some salad dressing on. This is so good, guys. You guys gotta try it. You could get it at Sam's Club or Walmart. It's a different type of salad dressing. It's really good. But let me get into the salad first before I start eating the chicken. Not bad, guys. Forgot to give you a bite. This is the green. I give you a bite of the chicken because that's what you really want. Oh, I made this, by the way. So good, guys. So good. And the onions. Anyway, let's get into the good stuff. Here's the wing. So this is my favorite part, the flat. It's barbecue, jerk barbecue, as I said. This is piece number 1. So good. And wing number 2. Take a bite. See how it's a little bit burnt on that side, but it's so good. Number 2, down. Number 3. It's more sweet than spicy, guys, because, you know, I'm not big on spice, but it's a little bit a kick to it. Number 4. So good, guys. I picked that up later. It's literally coming off the bone because I made it cook a little bit longer than usual, so it's nice and tender. Number 5. Go. Number 5. So that's number 5 down. Number 6. Seven. 8. 9. 'The good thing about these wings, they're small, so they could eat them really quick. Blue cheese. This is wing number 10. And some blue cheese. So good, guys. What's that? 10, 11. Look, y'all. Y'all want the first bite with blue cheese? I took a bite already. I'm sorry, but here's the first bite. So quick, that just fried off the bone. Made it marinate just long enough. That was what, number 12 or number 11? I lost track. I think that's number 11. Here's number 12. So good, guys. I wanted to tag some bigger YouTuber, but I don't know if they would do it. So half the time they don't see my comments, but I was going to try. I might still tag them though, but I'm not going to tell you guys who yet. Just in case they don't do it and I don't feel bad. And I feel bad. This is kale and zucchini, sauteed with almond nuts and onion and a little bit of dried cranberry. Wing number 13. I think it's 13. I'm gonna have to count it again later. Guys, it's so good. Take another bite. So yummy and tender. Right off the bone. I am full, y'all. So good, guys. I'm telling you, that cilantro, sweet cilantro lime has a kick to it, but it's so good. It's different. It's very different. Good, guys. So good. God. I'm getting full. I have to take a break. So good. I think this is 14, guys. I lost count. I keep on taking a break, messing up my count. Excuse me. So, I'm going to take a break and count because I keep on forgetting how much I had. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Let me see. I have to get to see my bones here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18. Gone 18 so far. Look, all those bones. Alright, so 18. Right, so we're back on track. 18. 19. 20. 24, guys. $21. So full. I think I'm gonna take one more bite, and that's it for me. I was 21, and this is 22. I have 13 more to go. I don't think I can make it. This is so good, guys. Well, let me move my sauce so you can see. I still got so much more to go. I am full. They're small, so they look like a little bit. But right now, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 exactly. Nope, I have an extra one. 14. 14 more to go. I'm tired. I must have put an extra one in there. I think I put 36 or 35. Well, guys, I'm full. Thank you for eating with me. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I'm going to see if the hubster will finish this off. If not, I'll eat it tomorrow. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. As I'm going to say, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you later. Bye.